we are continuing with the equation of a straight line. Here the question is, find the gradient and the y-intercept of each of the following lines. Now gradient means slope. We know that gradient means slope. It's another name for the slope, is equal to slope. And how do we represent y-intercept? Y-intercept is c. It's actually the distance traveled or distance cut off by the line, required line along y-axis. That's why it's called y-intercept, and we represent it by c. Now, whenever the equation is given to you, suppose 5x minus 10y is equal to 3, and you are going to find the slope and y-intercept, you should always convert this into the standard form of the equation. What is the standard form of the equation? We have discussed that y equal to mx plus c. What does that mean? We will write this equation in this format, right? We'll make y the subject of this equation. So here in this equation, we can write this as 5x. Let me shift this to this side 3, and this will go to this side as 10y. So you can write this as 10y is equal to 5x minus 3. Now you want y as the subject. So where will this go? Y is equal to 5 upon 10 x minus 3 upon 10. Right? This 10 will be divided to this. So here 5 ones are 5 twos are. So finally this equation in the standard form will be 1 by 2x minus 3 by 10. Now let's compare it with the standard form. What is my coefficient of x? M. Slope. Coefficient of x becomes the slope, right? So what is here the coefficient of x? Half. So what is the slope? Half. 1 by 2. And the constant term is always the y-intercept. What is the constant term here? Minus 3 by 10. So your c is equal to minus 3 upon 10. Right? That's how you can calculate the slope and y-intercept from the equation. Convert the equation first into the standard form, and then whatever is the coefficient of x will be your slope, and the constant term, take care of this sign also. Along with this sign you have to take the constant term, becomes your c. That's y-intercept. Now second part. In the second part, as you can see, we can first take the LCM here. Let's take the LCM. You will get 9 and 6. You will get 18 as the LCM. So 6 3s are, so 3x plus 2y is equal to 1. Cross multiply. 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. Now we have to make y as the subject. So it will be minus 3x. I'm shifting this to this side, plus 18. So this will become y will be minus 3 by 2 x plus 18 by 2. 2 will be divided to this term as well as to this term. Sometimes we only divide 2 to this term only. We forget this. So be careful here. So y is equal to minus 3 by 2x plus 9. Now we can compare. Coefficient of x is our m. So what is my slope here? Minus 3 by 2. And the constant term is my y-intercept, which is c, that is 9. Right? Okay. Now then we have third part. Here we have x plus 4 equal to 0. Right? Isn't it a situation like this? X equal to 4. Suppose this is 4. So isn't it a line which is parallel to y-axis? Right? So when a line is parallel to y-axis, it makes which angle with the positive direction of x-axis? It makes a 90 degree with the positive direction of x-axis. So what will be the slope in that case? M will be equal to tan 90. So tan 90 is not defined. So here the slope will also not defined, right? And it has no y-intercept because it is not cutting the y-axis at any point. So x plus 4 equal to 0. Here it has, this line has Slope not defined. So you can write that M is not defined and comma there is no C, it has no y-intercept because it has no touch with the y-axis. So it is not cutting off any distance on y-axis. It has no y-intercept, right? Okay, then this y equal to 6. Now what do we mean by y equal to 6? It's a line which is parallel to, suppose here we have 6. So y equal to 6 is a line like this. So it is a line parallel to x-axis. So which angle is it making with the positive direction of x-axis? 0 degree. So what is tan 0 degree? 0. So what is slope? 0. So it has slope as 0 and y-intercept. How much distance is it cutting along the y-axis? 6 units. So your C will be 6. So for this question, you can write that slope is 0 and C is 6, or in other words, M is 0, C is equal to 6.